So VTG Defense is a defense contractor. We primarily install communications and combat systems on Navy ships for the Navy, Coast Guard. We have some other contracts that pertain to government contracting. Every team in our company pretty much uses Quickbase now. We take data in from our accounting software, and that gets written to Quickbase every night. So our project managers have financial data every day that's new, it's up to date. Then we've built a warehouse solution, so our warehousing team receives inventory, prints labels, QR codes, scans barcodes. We've just integrated the document generator feeder. So we're now printing packing slips with QR codes that travel with the packages as we forward them to our on-site teams that then use Quickbase to muster or receive and assign work so that they're qualified to do the work. So it's an end-to-end operational management tool at this point. So when I came to VTG systems, we were disconnected. They were in like a lot of places in Excel, email, and belonged to all sorts of different people, right? You never had the latest copy of something. There wasn't as much collaboration as there is now, right? I don't think people realized that there was a problem until they had Quickbase, because Quickbase is such a good tool at highlighting your problems. When we build these things in Quickbase, we have to establish those responsibilities. So we've taken response times from hours to minutes, right? Because if a request comes in, we have a ticketing system for departments to ask for help for other departments. It's reduced really the human error part of it. I'd say we reduced manual entry by 60%. I like to say Quickbase, it's a blank canvas, and so it does exactly what you make it do.